The new Bobcat 265 engine-driven welder. The legend redefined to dominate the job site. It has expanded capabilities to take on more jobs, delivering uncompromised performance. The durable digital interface makes operation faster and uncomplicated. AutoSet technology makes weld parameter setup fast, easy, and accurate for welders of all skill levels to work more efficiently. Bobcats are now designed so that you always have full auxiliary power while providing no arc interference for superior weld quality and no power spikes. Offering big power in a smaller package, it's over 100 pounds lighter and 13% smaller than previous models. It delivers more of the data visibility you need, with predictive maintenance information to plan necessary service time and productivity screens to monitor machine usage. Lower fuel costs and reduced noise on the job site because welders can use remote start-stop to shut off the engine and reduce idling time. A direct spool gun connection makes it easy to weld aluminum, expanding the jobs you can tackle. The optional battery charge crank assist eliminates the need to carry a separate charger and ensures you are ready if you need it. Optional arc reach technology delivers more arc on time, a safer job site, and improvements to your bottom line by not walking back to the machine to make parameter changes. The new Bobcat 265 engine-driven welder. The legendary performance you expect. Redefined.